Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. It's time for the fireworks display for my 35 subscriber special. Thanks a lot guys, I really appreciate it. Here is the display shown by the grid. What I'm going to do is ring this bell 6 times by pushing the lever. And this will be a short display and be a quite quick display, so I may not capture the whole thing. Okay, you ready? Count with me as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll do it twice as 6. Okay, here we go. I'll try and make this lane correct. Right, bounce. Perfect! Okay, here we go. Enjoy the display. Right, the fast runway now. I'm going to have to go all the way to the end so I can capture the whole thing. Whoa! Okay, thanks a lot guys for 35. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You know what? For a reward, I'm going to do it again. So we make it longer. Enjoy. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's gonna go quick right now. Right here. I'll try and capture everything, guys. If not, I'm sorry. Okay. Rainbow over here. Now, the fast runway. I'm gonna have to be quite quick on this. Go straight to the end. I'll try and go up. Here we go. I'm gonna go up. Oh, I didn't quite capture that final one, but it doesn't matter. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this 35 subscriber special. If you did, like this video, it's important. Subscribe to the channel. If we hit 40, we'll hit a new Travelodge. We'll make a Travelodge hotel in this game. Anyway, thank you so much for it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.